Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie, and this is my daughter Graycie.
Hi everyone!
Now this channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support. Here's a style I came up with the other day.
We call it the Double Wrap Knott Braid. So let's get started.
I went ahead and put her hair into a low ponytail and covered her elastic band with her own hair using a topsy tail. Anything I use in this video, I'll leave a link in the description box below. I'm going to take this and split it into 2 equal parts. Now you're going to take a section right here from the inside of the right strand. Just take a small section right there. Now you're going to do the same thing over here. Okay, so you're going to take a small section from the left side, put it together, and now split it into 2 sections. Okay, make sure that they're equal. Now I'm going to place this to the side here for now. We're going to go ahead and work on this side first. So you're going to take this right here, take a small strand, go over this strand. So you're going to take 2 fingers, put it in between the big and the small, take the strand, take the tail and put it over, and take your 2 fingers and grab the tail and pull right through. Tighten it up. She's going to hold that. Now you're going to take this here, this small strand for the left big strand. You're going to do the same thing you did here over there. So this one, put your 2 fingers in between those strands and take it over the big strand. Take the tail with the 2 fingers and bring it right through. Now that you have the 2 small strands, you're going to crisscross it. Take the left strand over the right strand, put your 2 fingers between those strands here, okay, and then this is the right strand tail. You're going to bring it over and take your fingers and bring that tail right through. Tie it like a knot. She's going to hold the left strand while you work on the right strand. So you're going to take a small section from the back of this strand here, put it together. Then you're just going to go ahead and repeat. You're going to bring the 2 fingers in between this strand and this strand. Bring the tail over. See the 2 fingers? Put that tail between the 2 fingers. Pull that tail right through. Tighten it up. Just going to go ahead and hold this. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the left strand. Again, you're going to take a piece from the back of this big strand right here, not too big, just about the same amount as this one. Now you're going to put your 2 fingers in between this big strand and this strand. So put it between there, take this tail over the strand, the big strand, over the big strand, grab it with your 2 fingers and pull right through. Tighten it up. Now you're going to bring these 2 together. And now you're going to crisscross with each other. So this is you're going to make a knot. So you're going to cross, bring that over, take that tail right through that loop and tie. She's going to hold the left strand, and this is all repeated. I'm going to show you one more time before I go and speed it up. You're going to take a small section from behind the big thick strand. Okay. Put it together. Now put your 2 fingers between these strands. Take this tail over that tail. And now you're going to take the 2 fingers, grab this tail with those 2 fingers and pull right through. Tighten it up. She's going to hold this, and then you're going to work on this side. So now you're going to do the same thing on the left side. You're going to go ahead and take this small section from the back of this larger tail, and bring it together with this smaller strand. You're going to take the two fingers between the small strand and the larger strand. Take this tail and go over the large strand. Take your two fingers, grab that tail, and pull right through. Tighten it up, and you bring these two together. So you're going to take the left strand over the right, put your two fingers between that X. You're going to take this right tail over, take your two fingers, and grab that tail in between that, inside that loop. Go ahead and tighten that knot, and you're going to do it all over again. So, Graycie, you're going to hold this. This is all repeated all the way down as far as you want. I'm going to go and speed this up for time purposes only. I'm going to stop right here. I'm going to go ahead and just connect these together. I'm going to go ahead and loosen all this up, spread it out. I'm going to hide this elastic band with her hair using a topsy tail. Put a little hairspray. And there you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now this style, you can go ahead and do it in a high ponytail or on the side of each side if you want, or two pigtails. Whichever way you guys want to do it, it'll look really good either way. If there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments below.
We love feedback. Let us know about your success regarding our videos and things we might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button.
Help us support our channel by clicking the links in the description. Now this helps us to make more videos for you.
Don't forget to smash that like button
And click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
to watch more of us. Click on over there. Love you guys. Till next time.
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others.
Bye.